so pretty. Okay, hi you guys. So today we are having a box opening. I'm very excited. This box is from Catherine Zehr. Catherine came to Tutu School about 20 years ago. Now, after all these years, now she teaches for us, teaches Tiaras. I'm not sure what's in this box. It's stuff that she sent that has to do with Tiara class for next July. That's just neatly folded stuff. She's very neat. She always gives me a hard time because I'm not very symmetrical. This is where the goodies are. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I love that one. I love this one. They've been in class already. And we have a new one. Oh, these are gorgeous. This is the newer design. She's done it both in regular crystal and in crystal AB with gold. Oh, so pretty. They're gorgeous. And these are only a few of the designs that we offer in Tutu School. Tiara School this year is in July, and if you're interested in taking a class, you can register at Tutu.com. Just go to the website and click on Tutu School, and everything comes up, all the information. There are over 85 different courses, from tutus to tiaras to leotards, fundamentals in costuming, all kinds of classes. Thanks, Catherine.